movement. Okay, lower belly. Okay, so now stretching mudra. Okay, Dakini mudra, stretching mudra. Two middle finger under the thumb, pinky and the index finger straight. This is Dakini mudra. If you look at the tankas of Dakini, she's doing like this. Always. Even she's holding a bell. Holding a bell like that. Alright, anyway, so that one. Again, ground your feet and the back side of the skull aligned with the sacrum. Shoulder nice and relaxed. Start with the lower belly circulation like this. So holding gentle arch. As if you are like steering the magic potions, you know, like a little witch deep in the forest, steering. Whenever I do this movement, I kind of imagine I'm a witch and creating a magic potions like this. Okay, so you notice naturally moves, right? We are untying the knot around this lower belly. It's called the origin point. Untying. Both arms going. Distance between two hands doesn't change like this or this. This one's particular. Just kind of along with hip rotation facilitates the kind of rotation of the body, spine. Okay, like if you look at the side way, like this. Then we're gonna change the speed, make a little more faster, faster. Usually Trulkor, I do vigorous. Start with gently perhaps, and a little vigorous. Going. Okay, like that. So for this, knee have to be very nice and soft. So bend the knee. Otherwise, kind of stiff, cannot rotate. So kind of smooth rotation. Again, movement coming from inside out. Then Prajna Paramita, relax the throat and the soft palate. Then reverse the circle. That is. So this is called the horizontal wheel of fires. We have a vertical too. We are creating a wheel of fire, which signifies the illusionary nature. This movement based on the like a street, what you call street entertainers in India back old days, maybe nowadays too, I don't know. All the magicians creating the illusionary wheel of fire by doing this kind of movement. But you know, magician knows this is fake, this is magic. But the audience, like ourselves, kind of was deceived by that. Oh, there's the actual wheel of fire or the actual elephant there. And then we get scared and so forth. So that's what we are usually doing here with everything. So now we are doing this one. Then so each time when you finish, then just take a moment to rest in Mahamudra. Connection. Rest in the echo of your experience. One more related to this. Now we're gonna bring the vertical circle. So this time, before it was horizontal, so that if you put the pencil, it's going vertically, like a heaven and earth. Now here, this way, facing, like a two animal face, facing each other like this. Same, mudra is the same, but facing each other. So if you put the pencil front and back towards you, like that. The movement is like this movement, vertical movement. But the knee again, nice and soft, going like this. So this is more focusing on the heart center, untying the knot around the heart center. Feel that. See if you can allow the movement to come from inside. not trying to move it. Imagining you are untying the knot around the heart center. Ooh, I get warmer now. So like this. Then again, make it the speed. And make, if you like, you can make the bigger one. Rotate the arms, shoulders. Then again, coming back to. Then change the speed. So all these movements are done by self-love, joy, compassion toward all the beings. Then back to the heart center again, as if you ripples of the lake going out, right? When you have a motorboat or something like that, big one. Then coming back, the south side back to the heart center. Not to stop all of a sudden, because this is a journey. Just start feeling the subtle movement. So kind of refining our awareness, subtle and subtle. Right now our awareness is very coarse. Only we can witness something really coarse, gross stuff. Just through this kind of little movement, with awareness, attention, loving attention, then we can refine our awareness more and more.